Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a music or audio player to Notion. Whether you're building a personal workspace, creating mood boards, or just want some background music while you work, this feature lets you embed audio directly into your pages without any coding required. First, open Notion and select the workspace where you want to add the audio player. Once you're in, navigate to the specific Notion page where you want the audio to appear. This could be a dashboard, project page, or any page you're customizing. Before we jump into Notion, make sure you have your audio file ready on your computer. Notion supports common formats like MP3 or WAV, but keep in mind that the file size should be under 5 MB for smooth uploading. This ensures your audio loads quickly and doesn't slow down your page. Now, back on your Notion page, click on the area where you want to place the audio player, type /audio, and you'll see options appear. Click on Upload a File and select the audio file you prepared from your computer. Notion will then upload your file and automatically create an embedded audio player block right on your page. You'll see a player appear that lets you control playback directly within Notion. If you want to reposition the audio player, simply click and drag the block to wherever you'd like it on the page. This gives you complete control over your page layout. Alternatively, if you have an audio link from platforms like Spotify or SoundCloud, you can embed that instead. Copy the URL of the audio you want to add. Back in Notion, type /audio again, but this time select Embed Link. Paste the copied audio URL into the embed field and press Enter or click Embed Link. The embedded player for that audio source will appear on your Notion page, pulling the content directly from the streaming platform. Once your audio player is set up, test the playback to make sure everything works smoothly. You should be able to play, pause, and control the audio directly inside Notion without leaving the page. This method works seamlessly across Notion web, desktop, and mobile apps, so you can enjoy your music tracks, sound effects, or playlists wherever you access your workspace. It's a simple way to personalize and enliven your Notion pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.